Hey guys, we are going to make our home beautiful by making fountain here.
For this, we have blocks, bricks, sand, cements, and small stones and mortar.
I am drawing a circumference for foundation of our fountain.
We are building fountain, beautiful fountain. We are building fountain, beautiful fountain.
This is the house of our motor.
But we are going to clean this area first.
Small children have just arrived from the school.
We are building fountain, beautiful fountain. We are building fountain, beautiful fountain.
We are preparing the cement mixer.
When future looked dark and unknown, came to the rescue as my very own. Ever since the day it's been my home, rainbow children home my cornerstone. We played around and went to school. Meeting volunteers is oh so cool. High school in the morning, free afternoon. It's now the time to use some tools.
We need more blocks than we estimated, so we got.
We are building fountain, beautiful fountain. We are building fountain, beautiful fountain. We are building fountain, beautiful fountain. We are building fountain, beautiful fountain.
Now it's coming inside.
Stone, sand, cement, scrap, metal and brick. Learning by doing is the ultimate trick. It will take days, not going to be quick. Make sweet memories is all we seek.
हेलो गाइस आज हामी भाउडे बनाउँदै छौँ भोलि सुरु हुन्छ
What is this game? Who is winning?
Same.
This is for today.
Hey guys,
We are back.
Let's finish the fountain.
3 days later, it's almost done. Making this fountain was a lot of fun. Cement not enough, we gotta run. It's getting dark, 'cause gone is the sun.
Hello guys.
We are building fountain, beautiful fountain. We are building fountain, beautiful fountain. We are building fountain, beautiful fountain. We are building fountain, beautiful fountain.
Only for casual.
Teach him.
You also getting that?
Cement also finished. We will continue tomorrow.
Hey guys, we are back.
Today we will finish our fountain. This is almost ready.
Now we just have to dry.
So we did some art.
Make like Siva.
Hi guys, we are back.
Now we have finished fountain.